Hey there, and welcome to the second section of this course, Working with Lambda Expressions. In this section, we will use Lambda expressions where possible, explore their various features, and turn cumbersome code into efficient code. In the previous section, we took a glimpse at functional programming as a whole, its various features and benefits. The topic for this video is implementing the syntax of Lambda expressions. In this video, we will go over the syntax of Java Lambda expressions and implement the proper examples for it. In one of our previous videos, we talked about functional interfaces and explained that functional interfaces are the backbone of Lambda expressions, but we didn't explain how Lambda expressions match up with different functional interfaces. Basically, the process is divided in three steps. First, does the interface have only one abstract method? In other words, does the interface signal that it is indeed a functional interface? Second, do the parameters of the Lambda expression match the parameters of the abstract method from the given interface? And finally, does the return type of the Lambda expression match the return type of the abstract method? If all of these steps are true, then the Lambda expression successfully matches the functional interface. Now, let's open up our IDE and implement the syntax. On my screen now, you can see three functional interfaces that are named according to the number of parameters that their abstract method can take. Let's start by implementing the noParameters interface. Because this interface method takes no parameters, we can leave the parentheses empty. To demonstrate, open up parentheses, this code will simply print out hello from no parameter when the method print is called. Next, let's implement the single parameter interface. This time we must put a parameter in the parentheses. Let's demonstrate. This lambda will print out the parameter. The parameter type can be omitted because it is inferred from the functional interface. Lastly, let's implement the multiple parameter interface. In the parentheses of this interface, we will type in the exact number of parameters as the functional interface allows. In our case, that is 2 parameters, but this number can be arbitrary. Now, to demonstrate that it works, I will call the print method for each of the objects and run the code. It prints out the results just as expected. Lambda expressions also allow different implementations for the same interface. Which implementation you use depends on the object that you use when calling the method from the interface. With this, we conclude the video.